In today's video, I am going to teach you how to uninstall and reinstall Google Chrome, Windows and Mac. On a Windows computer, start by clicking the Windows icon and opening the search bar. Type Control Panel, then open it from the results. Once Control Panel opens, look for the option that says Uninstall a Program. Click that to view the list of installed applications on your computer. In that list, find Google Chrome. It may help to scroll slowly or use the list view if needed. When you see Google Chrome, double-click it to begin the uninstall process. Windows may ask for permission to make changes to your device. Follow the prompts on screen until Chrome has been removed. To reinstall Chrome on Windows, open another web browser that is already installed, such as Microsoft Edge. Go to the official Google Chrome website and click Download Chrome. Your computer will download the Chrome setup file. Once the file finishes downloading, open the file named chromesetup.exe. Then follow the on-screen instructions to install Chrome again. On a Mac, the reinstall part starts the same way. Open another browser, go to the official Google Chrome website, and select Download Chrome. After the file downloads, open it and follow the installation prompts to add Chrome back to your Mac. That covers everything you need to know.